If you don't do it right, you may end up, guys, doing the job again or spending hundreds on new parts, and we'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW 5 Series. If you have BMW 5 Series, it could be any generation such as E60, E61, F10, F11 and the next generation after that, the G, guys. If you're trying to find how often to replace serpentine belt, why it's important to replace it, because they snap all of a sudden, there is no warning, guys. And if that happens, you're stuck wherever it's not practically. I mean, you can drive without a belt to a certain extent. We'll talk about that as well, but you definitely, guys, need to stay on schedule for your own safety. So let's go ahead and talk about that now. Before we start, let me tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And on this BMW 5 Series, we'll have even more, taking the engine apart, transmission, the whole body. We'll be taking the whole car apart. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So what we have specifically here, you can see, guys, this is a BMW 528 2013 5 Series, but even if you have a different one, it will be about the same. The other day we were driving, and let me show you what happened. All of a sudden the belt snapped. Now you wonder, can I drive without serpentine belt, or how long can I drive without serpentine belt? If you want to check out, the video will be on our channel that will teach you that. The belt on that specific model drives practically two components. You can see this is the crankshaft pulley, this is the AC compressor, this is the alternator here, that's a tensioner pulley. So when the belt snaps, your air conditioner quits working, which is not catastrophic. I mean, probably not comfortable, but you will be able to make it to a certain location. But right here is your alternator, and the alternator, if it's not running, the car battery will not charge, and eventually the battery will die. And if not careful and you don't stop on time and the vehicle dies on you, it can be all of a sudden, which can lead to accidents. You may lose your brakes, power steering. So you guys need to be staying on schedule with these things. Let's show you guys. Okay, let me get the key quick to show you at what mileage our belt broke. Okay, this is original miles on that BMW. We're the second owners, so let me show you now. Okay, I'm going to get now the key, and I will show you here. Okay, if we turn the ignition on, let me turn the light off, and you can see 107,000 miles, 320, 107, 320, and it snapped at about that much, guys. So you wonder how often I should change that? Let's show you now. In my opinion, serpentine belt need to be replaced every 60,000 miles. Why? It really depends where you live in a warm climate. If it's extremely cold or extremely hot, that belt loses its flexibility, and that's where it can snap. When it's really hot, it kind of like bakes itself, so it's not so flexible. It turns into plastic, and then it breaks eventually, guys. And you can see the belt itself doesn't look too bad. Okay, let me turn the light on so I can show you clearly. But the belt, it has some cracks, but nothing major, and all of a sudden it snapped. So I would recommend 60 to 70,000 miles, but always check the quality of the belt too. For instance, the Continentals, they recommend 60,000 miles to inspect it and replace it at 90,000 miles. This was original BMW belt. I think Continental builds the original belts, and lasted 107,000 miles and 9 years practically. So definitely, guys, change them on time. If you want to see how to replace it, the video will be on the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.